So I have pulled an example profile here. And I must say that I kind of cherry picked this profile because it has a limited number of finished books, and they're all of the same style. So it's easy for us to see that how this fits together. This user has listened to a lot of, shall we say, pop psychology, self-help kind of content. And the recommendation engine gives them more of the same. How does it do that? What is the implementation? This uses something called, sorry, now I forgot the word, collaborative filtering. So the idea is that this recommendation engine will take different users and it will try to find the ones that have the same taste. And then the idea is that if we have this cluster of users with the same taste, well, we can recommend the books that one user of this cluster enjoyed to another user in this cluster. So I again access something that is not quite exposed, but that I have access to. I ask the recommendation system, okay, given this user, which is his closest neighbor? Who has the closest taste? We get to this other profile. So we can see that they have this book in common. That's another book that this user had finished. We have this book is in common. We have this one, 6 books in common. So out of, what are these? 9, they had at least 6 books in common that they had either finished, that's a check mark, or star rated. And if we look at this other user again, we see that some of the recommendations that came out, they are directly from here. So this one, the High 5 Habits, it's one of the finished books for this user. That's a recommendation for this user. So now I show you just 2 users, but this is done on a larger scale. We find a big cluster of users. We figure out what do they have in common, and this is how we produce recommendations. This section here, recommendations, this one can be configured to show on the home screen. So when the user starts the app, there will be a section, a banner. It will say recommend for you. It will be these books for that user. So it will be personalized like that. The other place we use recommendations is once you have finished a book. Imagine you just finished Jurassic Park. What should you listen to next? So we will show something like we think you will also like, and it will be other in the same genre. So Frankenstein, classic sci-fi. This Hail Mary is kind of modern sci-fi, same style. I think this is the Hunger Games, if I'm not mistaken. So kind of same general genre. And so that is also something that we use recommendations for. If you want to enable this on the home screen, is by the editorial tool. So you log into editorial, you create a new banner group. You say it will recommend it for you or something like that. And the source is a release group. And then it says here that we need to call it, we need to say the source is recommended. And you save, and then you can have it on your home screen.